Irena, and I'm a health, wellness, and beauty expert with more than 20 years of experience in luxury hospitality. In today's video, you're going to learn how to make a face and body scrub with what you already have in your pantry. This DIY face and body scrub you can use even if you have a very sensitive skin. So the ingredients that we will use today, they're non-irritating, they're actually very calming, soothing, and very nourishing. You will need 2 tablespoons of oats, brown sugar, coconut milk in powder version, and 1 shot of coconut oil. So first we're going to mix all dry ingredients, and then we're going to be adding coconut oil gradually, because you want to achieve that perfect consistency of your face and body scrub. You don't want it to be too thick, or especially not too runny, because then it's going to be too difficult to have it in your hand and put it on your body or on your face. So let's just do it together, little by little, and then once the consistency is perfect, then we will add a few drops of essential oil. If you have oily or combination skin, I would recommend you to add 5 to 8 drops of lemongrass or tea tree oil. Or if you have a little bit of cellulite in your body and you want to speed up your blood circulation, you can add a few drops of cinnamon essential oil. So if you're ready, as I am, let's just get into it. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. So make sure it's not thicker or more runny, but this is perfect. So as you saw, I added already 8 drops of cinnamon essential oil. So now we're gonna start and putting it in the jar. And there you have it, my friends. Your face and body scrub is all ready to be used. So keep this face and body scrub in the fridge up to 4 to 5 weeks and just take it out when you're gonna use it. I recommend you to use it once or twice a week. And maybe, you know, this is also like an amazing idea for you just to give it to somebody. Isn't that cute and gorgeous? So this is usually what I do when I prepare, you know, the products for myself. I always like to make a little bit of extra so I can give it to my friends and family. And remember, very soon we're gonna have a Thanksgiving, then Christmas and all other holidays. So maybe here is the idea of what you can give to somebody, you know, as a gift, and it's very inexpensive and very easy to make. I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you enjoyed making the scrub together with me today. There you have it. Your face and body scrub is ready to be used. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, my dear friends. Bye!